serve you with the best of sports subscribe. Ike and share. I'm your host, Derek Saint Kizito.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Yan chiao and you may yan fa in room na yan serve hot dinner. Na if a supper or home, baby, I want a China which means so Eddie Ayorio near ma na a china pan so or the breakfast. And I know Perry and you may at Nasia and I am a quick update around the world of crop yama pon metema santi kotoko. Now when you're chef Eddie a free more training about she and yen shut down waste too much time. Without wasting much time. And I said, without much I do. Said, yeah, na MC for the kind of no. Yeah, go street. A china koto ko. About friendly game. Na friendly game they are no pa. Me share my so okay. I are no pa nyame boa. We are for bi beto so. Me demo details. Ebe mau physical trainer. Physical trainer na share juma say. Yes, but as usual. I say amount details. Video analysis ne dey me kan ya che. Coach Eli nti na ye nya ne ho details biem ya de ama be bosom ntem kakra ni nti video analysis na adwuma ne de ya de asi na mom physical trainer na ne ni bie no a na mo bisa ye no ene wa share adwuma se no ye be try nya ne image kakra bi ye be try show ni image ama na ya ma ni profile Kotoko physical trainer profile absolutely na ya to aso ekọ ye nim new player or a striker ne Kotoko kwakwaje no international transfer certificate ITC no omuguso eye ho adwuma won kran no me ba chaw de tie ene se me pese me ye ono nko ho video na me show ne skills kakra ani de ni ho brase kwan so but on this episode me ntwa won tro ni image and am de be show me show ni picture with ni crowd free so background we can such transfer window ya close so basi da bobie me ba chaw a free agent into free agent and so there clause no makwan say any point in time biano obetimi a registered player as far as a free agent there that is top notch you can cry say the tuja ema in a team fonti kame ho na me so menka ho na me fa issues how do a that on board nyina no ema na esa ma kakra so afa ba seke na ibc ba seke for no training grounds esa no so me boom that one na ye the tuja antentem so nti kame ho ne enko. Okay. Thank you so much. Grazie. Beat ni here. All right, yenya juma win free ho quick one. And the training home command mount. Player that was screen you see a new player. I in Asante Kotoko be na ho announcement. All things being equal, say bibia wiemudie na omutumi enya IT no maniema ewie paya. Bibia betumi a kire pefe nkodimdie ball no beko na krachi nso aba be bɔ adwumaden e ama Asante Kotoko boku no me phone back information also no but mamenye say e wa ha na wo team na bibia ti because so absolutely that young kwaya nim sa me phone back no eno e na waja no top no but enyehu ye be adwuma ni nyina e ama kama na bibia koso clear am de na to see information no okay masenya matimi aye no fine ti atoso all right yenye answer about training so we a new player on Kotoko training as a crowd that in fact on December 23rd 2002 and an hour for a war on the picture ni now because has colors here me patron has colors a crew free so a colors Chad or money no ball recently you try num ofie na no ball draw I think last hour I no take a man here 1-1 Chad CHAD now or a striker and also a attacker 23 years 2002 near won December 23rd now the and it said the last time our ball game October 26 2025 and our ball at the money team Stellenbosch FC and our money boy no ball the FC 15 the Augusto honum na no ball FC 15 the Augusto in fact Stellenbosch for the 4-1 no carry consolation game nim ɛno kakra ato dwa na ɛhɔ mu season berry ye ɛwɔ bia na osina kan ɛna nam saa yɛ so ama ne we free agent a wɔne Kotoko ɛtwetwe na pom na report ni kyerɛ mu Kotoko ni agye ne modern mo ho ne din ankasa de Cafusa Bombardi Cafusa 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 Bombardi Chasinte ne din ɛno no Cafusa Bombardi Chasinte ɛno ɛyɛ ne din. In fact, FC 15 the Augusto di Aconibe ɛhɔ nom ɛna na osi akan FC 15 the Augusto di Aconibe ɛhɔ nom ɛna na osi akan a sisi a na ebetimi de atudwa ɛde ama ɔsɛ ɔne Asante Kotoko eguso ɛne kra nkasa ɔyɛ training kama na yɛkɔ hɔ a yɛn reporters no kɔ ɔmo hu obi ɔyɛ different na waba hɔ ɛne ade a ɛna report no to aso ɛde ma ɛsɛ ampa muhu ya na mo kan ya ade tie ɛno no sɛ ɛne krache friend sɛ Cafusa Bombardi yes Chasinte ɛka ne din ho ɔno ɛbɛba bɛyɛ player ɛde ama Asante Kotoko boboko no all things being equal ɔmo ɛgye ne dwumadi a yato din sɛ ITC ɔmo wie ho adwuma no asi ɔbɛba bɛyɛ Asante Kotoko player na bibia atumi akɔso kama baabi a na osi akan no na yɛ Equatorial Guinea ɛhɔ nom ɛna na osi akan krobi yɛfa no Aconibe ufri bata na ukɔ Mongomo ufri Mongomo a na wasi ebibiyin from ebibiyin ekura obisi so no ɛyɛ Aconibe nyame boa yɛwie video yi a meba bɛyɛ ɔno nko profile ɛde amount bia watimi anante Equatorial Guinea de obi firi hɔ a ɛte sɛ de ofiri obi kɔbɔbɔ hɔ a ɛte sɛ de ofiri mi kurom na me sɛ ɛhɔ de mi village a Black Star Dama nti yɛne ɔmo ɛkɔyɛ adwuma kakra nti bibia ɛyɛ okay nti ɛbɛba be profile no na yɛde bibia to dwa ama Chad national team Black Star ɛne ɔmo hyia yɛn so ɔno ɛna na hyɛ 10 jersey a na ɔwɔ game ni mu ɛno nso yɛbɛtry ne apɛ ho video footage ɛde ama kama na bibia ɛwie nkonimdie so na 1 year contract ɛna 1 year contract with ne team no aba awie a ɛne ɔne Kotoko ɛyɛ training ne din ɛde Cafusa Bombardi Chasinte ɛno no nti wate sɛ Bombardi a ne ho anwan nkrɔfo ka Bombardi yɛ tuo ekum nipa we nipa din Bombardi Cafusa Chasinte 23 years of age ɛna ɔwɔ wɔyɛ Chad ni ne last team na ɔbɔbɔ Equatorial Guinea ekuro bi afɛ no Aconibe ɛno no yɛmfa wo si mini akɔdwo ahome yɛbɛsa aba na yɛde other details no ama yɛne tiefoɔ okay ɛnra yɛbɛka kyerɛ wo sɛ krache friend sɛ Amoah nei ɔbɛba bedru either sɛ ɛnɛ that is ɛna Wednesday no my training anwumrɛ anaasɛ ɛkyena Thursday no my training anopa nyame ncha de ɔba bedru asomdwem this video footage show depict show sampa ɔba bedru ayi training Kotoko kra officially and then I interview kama in Adobrado Star bibia akoso kama and then at training grounds so no and a coach Karim Zito a reintroduction kama at the two ma players no ehun sampa omunua no ekoya waba or saba be bosia bobo kwan so ewo just a loan semu na bibia timi akoso hwe player na nkasa interview a unhu ya Kotoko official YouTube channel. Yes, Kotoko official YouTube channel be say the interview no fully packaged and down kama Cratcher friend says Steven and then a interviewer or chim so it said the over vacation or born pocket crowd near shim calf no Eddie a free media phone 70 and then at training grounds as usual by rather they be on a single so and then also kama on the concert na the goose I was in room 15 for Kotoko babake kan ho na nkofo fa ho adwene media future am dey man no nti udi bi concert ano atiso kakra di baba ya na nurse no ofanso ene ne show ye no yes nti na at training grounds no na ban kan courtesy of Asante Kotoko ye the video footage no to drama ye for Amoah wahye training ase players a opese ohu omu nyina in fact obia ehye training ase kama niema ekoso a niema etumpon Isaac Mintanso ahye se yenkomra kakra se a ne ono nso etototo niema ma bibia tumi akọ enkan in as much as say Kotoko team no Shaibu and Isaac Minta and a young register woman apart from woman there obia is duly registered Auchi registered meeting and confirming at the amount 29 players na no other na or nana penkra kano Auchi edin eka ho bia kote edin ka ho bibia solid aka one slot no na Bombardi Cafusa Chasinte eba be occupy na nkurumdie bo no ewie pay nti update kakra ena yede mount on famra eno no ene at training grounds no ena crop ya mapoma metema sante Kotoko nso chin omapom kakra no now mamemfa team ani omo game bono ento wanim team ne dey say Baseke Holy Stars yes almost more details kakra ewa ha opponent watch the tie enie almost ye training ene anopa na after training ni pepepe ena ewia omo ye training at their training grounds no George Nanakisi ene atena bi akwada no to ye ewo mu training grounds no na enye adeketo team ni mo I think on the jersey number 32 George Nanakisi jersey number 32 solid goal ene o share ewo training grounds bibia no eko nanim kama na Sylvester Simba ono so after training na oni players ne say share mu etwa kanko gina mfimfi on na coach ema ne kasa ye ena Sylvester Simba kan niam ahodo so jack nkofo no ye share mu ha eti mostly eda kwasiara de ja no mbesu agu ye so but momye mon normal tempo na yankofa ye draw ne ye win bi ba ko emfiri ho emra no so ensem kakra Sylvester Simba right after training no what they edit 20 players and in kama and no coach Emma and Kasai and T Baseke Holy Stars and we training twice anopa any numre a chance so omba twaso na fin so nyame edi ho afofia yeah a Thursday a chance omba training once omon training mienu a chance training once na fi Friday omba twaso I journey to the middle that is Ashanti region na bibia to me akoso kama nti on players no bia and I ejina so kama iprebia MI and no details kakra yedi tuja ama in a tier for life ewo dwumadi sonkwen so na afi wanya ochefa e de afri enough ewo tima your friend say Baseke Holy Stars and so training ho nsem kakra yedi ato anim no yemra back to Asante Kotoko ho nsem e na yedi bi ato anim dia na kakra yedi man say nyame edi ho afofia e da your friend say yawada that is echina Kotoko no pana tututu players bi ti say imano entry Abdulaziz Dari anyone account one entire regular starter and say no one any Porcupine Young and I say young Porcupine Kotoko junior side number one friendly match 45 now almost had the players na a table you know abi rem kakra 45 here and then yame boa at that extra Thursday morning young Porcupines one more any Asante Kotoko senior side no ebebo ayonkoye akansie eno details kakra say the tuja the Emma in a tier for right from there no omuwie anopa train na training match na omunwie ye nyankopon SID ho afofia anwumre so senior team ni nyina ebeka abomu asa training na eno enchemu kakra the tuja the Ama in a tier for ewo mu now let's go forward na yemfama obisi kizito ade na bomba di shasinte Cafusa no on fan who details in my details I make him the amount and I'm doing the picture too so na busia nya bo track akra na yem content na kakra yem fan sa no pa na yem fan say nwumre empresa da ko kakra na yenom se ne be ya e overdose enko ha emaye nti se de man hot tidbit kakra no nyame boa next video the full package me the ghost ahodo a wa hye e wo Victoria Guinea nyina no ebe ma na bibia timi akoso eniema ahodo a ye ho adwuma ene no now yanto aso enko yanim de tie ene se sesia no Kotoko enya physical trainer na apenkra confirm de maye na ese enya papa ne details kakra yes enya ne details na beboa good God being so good papa ne te ho no on sa bet Amoah akogina coach ani hu coach ani ba ye nua be ma ya oto fefe tomrosi utimi so obosi kama no yes ono ne to no ye fa no Emmanuel Amate na tie ne ho profile kakra Emmanuel Amate ene Kotoko ye adwuma 2 years emre bi atwam oye adwuma Kotoko 2 years under the auspices of Charles Komla Akono CK Akono na no ade ya nka CK Akono ede ne ko Gomahia ewo Kenya but niema ba ku mienu mensa bia no ye nti wa anko ena ojai sa ofa no to ho ene ne waka fie na obeka ya mame komachi o papa pa brother ye otiwi na ye adwuma wa Ashanti Gold CK Akono ene de ne go Ash Gold that is gold face nti CK coach gold face no na Amate Emmanuel ene physical trainer ma Ash Gold team no now CK ba Kotoko no osane ne bebo adwuma ma bibia timi koso kama and Okoye the last job as a physical trainer a game against Insuatreman. And I said, team, I friend is Insuatreman. I think said that cry no boy and no that current era no on a physical trainer Emma Insuatreman. Yes, and no Emmanuel Amati, good guy, very, very good guy. Ubuno comporting professional, top notch. And yet for they are going to league in or experience okutane certificate I would do na a busi epai eman kunim die ekosunti this is your new physical trainer or non eto or den sa sha kama witun sampa wabo agum adidi agum kama bibia nso edededin kama no physical trainer Amate Emmanuel, formerly of Ashgood, formerly of Nswatreman, and a former still at Santi Kotoko. 2 years abebo edwuma mfiem yenu bi ama Kotoko and was returning in a Ribado style e dey ama Santi Kotoko as said there wono and a physical trainer na wa hye edwuma se kama video analysis ne dey nya na wa hye edwuma se o hye edwuma se de daada be na otwe be mienu miensa nie yes coach Eli into ono dey yenko yachi e wo ho bie me no eni nchemu kakra de ma ye na chiefo e wo ho enomo se de kufiyo se ebeka no o kase bia na o de aka me bra o se e wo ho nomo eno nso eno no a ye de ma ye chiefo e wo ma mfa Michael Akufo story ento asoma na me hwese me de be endi a na makomanim de tie ene se Michael Akufo nyamianim ene nukure nie Kotoko mpanyufo ani age no ho na players no crowd o munye ne deni o muso ye buwe o muso kwan ofa so ni o mukasa ekwan o bre ne ho ase ekwan a super Michael Akufo Gaddafi krache no wontetie na bebresi we de wuyo attachment na wonko obetena ya ye no be adwuma nti players na hyase ekon e de man say guy ni very good now a top professional Michael Akufo Gaddafi wono ene ball short to mrebi ha skipper bi sanisem buyo se kwayo yes eno no so kakra ye de etu dwa nyame bo Sunday minta ni gina ho no ha minta ya register na ba hye training ase etutu mrika kama de tie ene se dakwase ada bomoden na ba bia wo bia no yesa akobam na koba ba Sports Stadium 10 times so na kohwe goals na be bantem say the first na of akane woni Ali Maradona eka no we almost first 20 minutes in goals be 3 na esu masanya grow enya grow kra nti momie nyina nkwane amfia ntoma nkobɔ na apenkra de ano na yenhim franka na ese so ne gu nkrofo we mu pa ba sakafo no nyame bo mba Devil Stars dwuma di be di wo mu no ball bomo enye ntokwa mu scores mo enye true mu goals mo enye agro nti fabulous still Krobia remains supreme they say you dogo say you dogo of a dogo moro and reincarnation na band or dogo akwa bobo na yinya dogo nso aba ya kra nso be say concert or bench or no dey aba be ka ho after dogo ne hwan biem abeta mo ase nyemi ni and a super top notch magnificent Isaac you can say abet Amoah aba of a yin so me say kra nso akwa dey say upon no kra timi de ne tuhye go na ni bra bre na wo de hwe no nyasem kuma menye gye ho nse no kwa wo de hwe enya gro kra donzo nso egusu edonzo odo no azo enya gro goals ni be flow that eya brantem baba ya bomodin brantem na watimi ho first 3 goals no almost first half no the first 3 goals na so second half ni abogum enya gro me de ma hu ne de ma tina make goals ni be super nti nyame boy chance bomodin ko anopa no ko bia friends adakogya ache na friendly game ni ko hwebi na bibia anko so ewian so training ko ho na sisi anso nya IT cinema Cafusa edi no akwande ni Cafusa Cafu no bobo Brazil no e na wo de sa eso so o masefo na se so mbepi Chad Cafu ne sa Cafusa bombandi bombandi chasinte akwani di ni na hye goals ofa o hye defender akwani di ni na hye goal defender me hypo akwa stadium na kwesa me boa Krobia remain supreme enti de tie no ba seke ene Kotoko game no ho mpenten kwa ne ate kakra na Kotoko nkɔhwɛ mumie momode nkɔhwɛ na bibia nkoso nyame di adoma next game a yebebo we di ayi too early ye ba be ye diska kakra beba na ya to ticket dewa ama nipa be 20 no ma kwa game ni bi na ayefe ye be cha ticket no wa ha ye channel ha ya ye ma ye ya na makɔ akɔgye ticket no ho nsɛm e de free sɛ nana apenkra nkurɔfoɔ no a ɛnyɛ wɔn nam ne apɛ baako na makɔgye no kama sisi deɛ de bɛba no channel ha you see match bia ɛsɛ etimi ma bɛsɛ 20 to 25 tickets na amanfoɔ ɛde kɔyɛ ball no free na bibia akɔ so ɛsɛ sa revival nneɛma na yɛboa ma nana apenkra ɛgye trophy afiyɛ mu media ma it's possible so mbetimi atɔ fam ɛnya yi bia yɛbɛyɛ no Uganda deɛ ni bi te sɛ Uganda abatoɔ no akwa no Bobby Wine lidi ya na ofa Museveni abeje na ade saa na ebeye na bibia akoso nti ene update kakra with training grounds and am dia man china ye bo friendly game na bibia akoso and a new player what is on Kotoko ye training so me dey no nsem ama but me share obo say next video a ebetom no me dey video footage of goal scoring me ba betuja and me dey the Derrickson Kizito. Thank you so much for being part of this great family. Bomoding. I'm a piano ni see ya do see her. Next video ebeba na bibia akos.